Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. So in few days we will have our one of the biggest festivals, that is Diwali or Deepavali. And as you all know, Diwali is all about lights and candles. So keeping that in mind, I have came up with 3 really easy DIY light idea, and that I am going to be making from waste material that are easily available in our home. And I will also show you how to decorate your room with those lights. So stay tuned until the end. For the first DIY, I am collecting some flowers from my rooftop garden. And I am going to press dry these flowers. Here I will show you 2 different methods to dry them. For the first process, we have to take 2 pieces of paper. We have to keep this whole arrangement in between a book and keep a heavy book onto it. If you follow this process, it will take around 7 to 8 days to completely dry these flowers. The second process is unbelievably easy and quick. Keep this whole arrangement in between 2 cardboards and we just have to microwave this whole thing. I am keeping a heavy bowl onto this arrangement and we will microwave it for only 30 seconds. It's ready. Here I will take parchment paper or butter paper, whatever you call this, and some popsicle sticks. We'll make 4 frames like this. Now I am going to stick these pressed flowers onto this butter paper with Fevicol. These 4 frames are all ready. For now, what we have to do is just stick them together with a glue gun. And our table lamp is ready. For the second DIY, we will need some colored papers, a stapler, and a string light. We will cut some round shaped pieces from these pages. I am folding this in half and going to cut it in half circle. Taking a piece of half circle and keeping this round side outwards and folding it like a cone. Just staple it. Don't worry, it will not come off. Continue the process. Okay, I will show you the outcome of this DIY at the end of this video. Now let's forward to our third DIY. For this DIY, I have taken this waste plastic bottle, drawing some petals onto it with the help of a marker. I have taken a pencil knife and going to cut this according to the shape drawn on this bottle. Also making some holes onto this bottle. Now you have to just paint and decorate it according to your taste and preference. Painting part is done. Here I am using a jute thread. I am going to stick it with the help of a glue gun. And our third DIY is also ready. Now let's proceed to the most exciting part, and that is the decoration part. So this is the area I am going to decorate. Now let's decorate this area with some candles. I got this beautiful scented candle range from Miniso. Actually, I visited their shop at City Center yesterday and tried my hand on these products. So far, I'm liking their products as they are affordable and come with great packaging. Also, they smell really nice. Also, Miniso have some exclusive Diwali offers going on. So you can click the link in the description box to check that out. So if you are looking for some affordable options, you can definitely try them out. I'll mention their Insta page link in the description below. So that was for today. Please let me know in the comment section what you liked or disliked about this video. And also, if you try any of these DIYs, don't forget to share those photos with me on Instagram. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you all with a new Diwali home decor video very soon. Till then, take care. Bye.